This video tutorial I will explain AWS Simple Notification Service or SNS. AWS SNS is a fully managed messaging service that allows applications, microservices, and users to communicate using publish subscribe messaging. AWS SNS helps to send notifications, alerts, and messages to multiple recipients instantly. Here you can see the diagram. In that you can see three participants: publisher, topic, and subscribers. Now we will see how AWS SNS works. First we have to create a topic. A topic is a messaging channel where notifications are sent. Then you have to add the subscribers. Subscribers can be email, SMS, AWS Lambda, Amazon SQS, or HTTPS endpoints. Then publish messages. A publisher, it can be application or service, send a message to the topic. Then message delivery happens. SNS delivers the messages to all the subscribers of that particular topic. Where is AWS SNS used? The first one is application notifications. Send real-time notification in mobile or web applications. Second one is system alerts. Get alerts for system failures or security breaches. Third one is AWS service integration. Notify AWS Lambda, SQS, or CloudWatch about events. Fourth one is marketing and messaging. Send bulk messages via email or SMS. There are two types of SNS topics. First one is standard SNS topic. Second one is FIFO SNS topic. Standard SNS topic used for general notifications. Supports unlimited messages per second. FIFO SNS topic ensures messages are delivered in the exact order they are sent and only once. What are the key features of AWS SNS? First point is multiple message formats. Send messages as raw text or structured JSON. Next point is scalability. Handles millions of messages per second. Next point is message filtering. Deliver messages only to relevant subscribers. Next point is security. Encrypt messages and control access using IAM policies. Next point is delivery retries. Automatically retries failed messages. Pros of AWS SNS: fast and reliable, delivers messages in real time, low cost, pay only what you use, easy integration, works with many AWS services. Cons of AWS SNS: limited message customization, basic formatting options only available, no message persistence, messages are not stored after delivery. How to set up AWS SNS? First, you have to go to AWS SNS console. Then you have to create a topic. Say topic name is system alerts. Then add subscribers to the particular topic. The subscribers can be email, SMS, AWS Lambda, etc. Then publish a message to the topic. Then subscribers receives the notification. AWS SNS is a powerful notification service that helps applications communicate efficiently. It is widely used for alerts, notifications, and automation in AWS environments. By integrating with AWS Lambda, SQS, and CloudWatch, you can automate workflows and improve system reliability. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.